Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming iCloud is ready. Sign into the same Apple ID on both iPhone and iPad so notes can sync. Once signed in, go to Settings, tap your name, choose iCloud and turn on Notes. That tells Apple to replicate data. Make sure both devices are on Wi-Fi and have sufficient battery. Syncing over cellular is possible but slower. If you use multiple accounts, set the iPhone Notes default account to iCloud so new notes appear on the iPad. You now inspect where Notes live, open Notes and view folders. Items under on my iPhone won't sync until moved. Tap Edit, select Notes, and move them into an iCloud folder so they upload to iCloud. If you use Gmail or other accounts, enable Notes for those accounts in Settings Mail so their notes also sync. Once moved, changes propagate. You'll see a syncing spinner briefly. Make sure both devices stay online until the circle disappears to ensure full transfer. You finish by verifying. Open Notes on the iPad, pull down to refresh, and confirm recent edits appear. That proves sync succeeded. If notes are missing, sign out and back into iCloud on the affected device, restart both devices, and confirm you have iCloud storage available. These steps often fix stalls. If problems persist, export or back up the notes, then sign out and sign in again, or contact Apple support. Remember, moving notes into iCloud folders is the essential step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.